In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect and sync two Airtable bases. This process is relatively straightforward, but it's essential to pay close attention to ensure everything goes smoothly. First up, you'll want to open Airtable and log into your account. If you're not familiar, Airtable is a cloud-based service that helps organize and sync data in a spreadsheet database hybrid format. Once you're in, you'll be ready to connect your bases. Next, locate and open the base you want to sync to. This is crucial because the base you choose here will be the one that receives the synced data. Take a moment to make sure you've selected the right base, especially if you juggle multiple projects or teams within your Airtable account. Navigating through the various bases might be a bit daunting, so be sure to double-check that the correct one is open. Now, direct your attention to the menu where you'll find an option labeled Add More. It's typically located at the bottom of the tables list. Clicking this option will open up a range of choices that allow you to integrate additional functionalities or data sources into your base. From the list of options, you'll see Sync Data from Another Base. This choice is what enables the synchronization function we need. Selecting it will guide you through the necessary steps to initiate the syncing process. By choosing this option, you're telling Airtable that you want to pull in data from an external base, essentially setting up a communication line between the two. After you've selected to sync from another base, you can customize the sync settings. This portion is integral because it allows you to specify exactly what data you want to sync and how. Take your time to review these settings carefully. You can choose specific tables and views to sync, as well as decide how often you want the data to refresh. Is it real-time syncing you need, or is once a day sufficient? These are crucial decisions that can impact your workflow's efficiency. Once you're satisfied with the sync settings, it's time to complete the process by clicking Create Table. This step officially establishes the syncing connection and generates a new table within your chosen base containing the synced data. It's as simple as that. And there you have it, a seamless connection and syncing of two Airtable bases. With these steps carefully followed, you should now have your data flowing smoothly from one base to another. Remember, the key is to ensure you've selected the correct bases and customized your settings to fit your specific needs. Thank you for tuning in, and if you have any further questions or need additional guidance, feel free to reach out or watch more of our beginner-friendly tutorials.